Now, as one of the wildest trading weeks draws to a close right here on Wall Street at the New York Stock Exchange, investors are wondering if we are in for more of the same. A week that kicked off with Monday's major stock plunge, during which the Dow Jones and the S&P broad market fell to their worst day since September 2022. Leading the way for the U.S. drop, Japan's Nikkei posting its biggest daily drop since 1987 to kick off their week, as global investors accustomed to borrowing the Japanese yen to buy riskier yielding assets, they were caught off guard by the Bank of Japan's recent moves to tighten monetary policy. But for the rest of the week, it was a seesaw rally. Stocks unable to hold on to an early rally on Wednesday, fueling concerns that the factors that caused Monday's sell-off have not gone away. But Thursday saw yet another spike on improved weekly jobs numbers as the week draws to a close right behind me here at the big board this Friday. So will we see a continuation of those gains? Will we see another massive hiccup? A new week awaits, so let's now take a look at what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. Monday kicks off a bit on the quiet note. We have 3-month and 6-month bill auctions due out of the United States, so it's on Tuesday when the action picks up. First, we kick off in the United Kingdom with the 3-month ILO unemployment rate on the docket, a rate that currently sits 4.4%. In Spain, July Spanish consumer prices due with a reading expected at 2.9% year over year. And here in the U.S., July producer prices await expectations 0.1% month over month. Wednesday sees us once again start in the UK with July British consumer prices due for release, a report that currently sits at 2% year over year, while in the European Union, second quarter preliminary GDP is scheduled for release. Expectations 0.3% quarter over quarter, 0.6% year over year. And here in the U.S., July consumer prices due out expected 0.2% month over month, 2.9% year over year. Thursday, another busy session. First, down under in Australia with the July unemployment rate due out. Australian unemployment currently 4.1%. In China, industrial production for the month of July is due. Expectations 5.2%. While in the UK, second quarter GDP awaits a reading that currently sits at 0.7% quarter over quarter, 0.3% year over year. And then here in the US, we have retail sales figures and industrial production numbers. Retail sales currently 0%, industrial production expected 0.1% month over month. And we end the week with more retail sales numbers, this time out of the UK. British retail sales currently negative 1.2%, while here in the US, preliminary August Michigan consumer sentiment, that's due out, a report that currently sits 66.4. And keep an eye on geopolitical tensions, as they have been major market movers as of late. Updates all across. Keep an eye on those headlines, especially for the Nikkei, which is looking to rebound from last Monday's major dip. And until next week, coming at you live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICM.